Good morning, guys. Been having trouble with my 3D printer. So this is really just a test piece. I saw something in Poundland, just a cheap stand for your phone, and took a picture of it, having it in mind to have a go at replicating it myself. Last night I did that, and I thought I would use it as a test piece to see if I've sorted out the printer. And I don't think I have. That looks awful. I'm really not quite sure what's wrong with the printer at the moment. I thought it was the filament. The yellow filament, because I'd left that out while I was using black filament. But I've opened a fresh pack of orange filament, and I'm getting the same trouble. It's going very thin and stringy. Changed the nozzle, cleaned it, changed settings. It looked like it was going perfect. That's a good start there. But then it's gone stringy again. Very disappointed. This is supposed to be a print in place, two-piece. There is supposed to be a line along there where my thumbnail is, and then it will split apart there, but that line underneath it, that's where the printer's been going funny. Where it's gone stringy and horrible. Don't know. Well, that's not good. I just started it again and it's gone even worse. So I think I've got a duff batch of filament. That's the only thing I can think. That'd be disappointing. Being as I bought 4 or 5 rolls of it. I've had another attempt. I've turned the heat right up. It was on about 200 and something. It's now 220. And that does seem to have improved things. So it may just be that filament needs a hotter temperature. Well, I had to keep trying. I'm now getting successful prints. They still don't look quite right, but they are at least printing all the way through. So this is now a successful print. It's print in place. The hinge there is all in one piece, and then there's a gap between these two pieces that gets filled in with infill that you have to put a knife through to separate. But that now works. So we can stand a phone on it, and that holds it steady for us. I'll probably change the design a little bit more, but that does at least work. And we are actually getting prints out of that printer again. I think it's the filament. I think it's a different brand of filament to what I've been using. I thought it was the same. I bought it from the same suppliers, but it seems to need to be much hotter. I've been running on 200 degrees. I've had to push it all the way up to 225 to get a consistent print. So, yeah, not happy, but at least it's printing at the moment. So as long as I don't want anything that looks too pretty, we're okay. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.